To use POF Auto Message Sender on automatic mode, begin by clicking the main menu item, Fishing Mode, click the sub-menu item, Automatic, and then click the sub-menu item, Start Auto Messaging. The software program will then proceed to log you into Plenty of Fish, check to see how many new messages you have and display that number here, and then display the POF Advanced Search Form. Fill out the advanced search form specifying the type of people you wish to meet, such as age, height, weight, distance from you. Make sure you set to gallery as shown here. After you've specified all your preferences, click the Go Fishing button. From that point on, the software will run 100% in automatic mode without any intervention required on your part.